In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to link Stripe to Typeform, making it easier to manage payments through your forms. Whether you're collecting payments for an event, selling products, or accepting donations, integrating Stripe with Typeform simplifies the process, allowing you to effortlessly handle transactions. Let's get started and explore how to set this up. First, head over to typeform.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your forms. Take a moment to browse through your available forms and decide which one you'd like to connect with Stripe. This selection is an important step, as integrating payments can significantly enhance the functionality of your form. After you've chosen the form you wish to use, click on it to open it up. This will bring you to the form editor, where you can make adjustments and add different types of content. Now, let's move on to the next step. Click on the Add Content button. This option allows you to incorporate various elements into your form, such as question types, images, and importantly for us, payment options. Now that you're in the Content Additions section, look for and click on the Payment option. This is the point where you'll be able to integrate Stripe with your Typeform. By selecting this option, you're essentially telling Typeform that you want to add a payment gateway to your form, which is crucial for collecting payments efficiently. Once you've clicked on Payment, you'll be prompted with the option to connect with Stripe. You'll see a button labeled Connect or something similar associated with the Stripe logo. Go ahead and click on this Connect button. This action will redirect you to the Stripe platform, where you'll be asked to either log into your existing Stripe account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. After you've successfully logged in or set up a new account, Stripe will ask for your permission to link with Typeform. This is a standard procedure to ensure that both platforms can communicate with each other securely. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, you'll be redirected back to Typeform, and you should see a confirmation that your accounts are now linked. Congratulations, you've now successfully linked Stripe to Typeform. With this integration in place, payments made through your Typeform will be processed seamlessly via Stripe, providing a smooth and secure experience for both you and your respondents. Remember, this setup can be a powerful tool for collecting payments directly through your Typeform, as saving you time and effort. If you ever need to disconnect or make changes to your Stripe configuration, you can revisit the payment settings in your Typeform editor. This flexibility ensures that you can adapt your forms to meet your evolving needs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With Stripe and Typeform working together, managing payments is simpler and more efficient than ever. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online tools.